This video, I'll show you how to use Deepseek. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. Now head over to your Deepseek. This is the session where you can ask Deepseek any message you literally want, right? So I can just come on here, give me three names in English, right? So I'm gonna click on the enter. So it's currently loading. So this is your profile. If you come on here, click on the settings, you would either see the language, that is, you can select the language, then the theme, the light or dark, then your profile, your phone number, email address, everything you need to see, right? This is what it is in the setting. In this my profile, then you can add up a new chat from here. This is the other chat. This is the new chat. So if you want to add a new chat, you're gonna click on this, right? So you can see there are some chats right here. This the first, this is the second. So you can use this to add up a new chat. Then if you want to upload, let me say okay, I'm gonna create a new chat here. If you want to upload images, right, you can use this. So let me go to my previous chats. Okay, I think this is downloading, right? So if you want to upload a new image here, you're gonna use this to upload files, right, or images. So this is basically everything you need to know about Deepseek. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through the video. If you have any questions, do it to ask me below in the comment section. I'll be really grateful. I'll be really happy to help you guys. Thank you guys for watching through. I'm gonna see you guys in the very next one.